Today, we're introducing a revolutionary new product for your iPod. Socks. You know, there's all these companies that offer cases for your iPod. And, you know, sometimes we think they make more money on the cases than we make on the iPod. And so we thought we'd offer something too. And our design team came up with socks. And they're really cool, actually. You can put your iPod in them, and they go like that. They keep your iPod warm on cold days. They protect it, and they give you a little more personality. So iPod socks come in 6 colors, and you get one of each in a little package, and they're going to go on sale by mid-November for $29. So we hope you like it. So that's what's up with iPod.